guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be showing you how to make puff pastry. First thing we're going to do is cut up the sheet of puff pastry using a cookie cutter. You could use whatever shape you want. In our case we use stars. So you cut all the dough, you place them on the tray as you see there. Then you need to make an egg wash, so crack one egg into a bowl and then mix it. Using a brush every single piece of dough with the egg wash. After all the stars are brushed, you can add the filling. So in our case, we added goat cheese. And you put it on every second star. Then you place them in the oven for 30 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. After that, you take them out of the oven. And you can add a sweet element to your stuffing. In our case, we put orange marmalade. And you put that on top of every single star that has a goat cheese in it. That's the final product. We hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.